Hello everyone, and welcome back to NT Coins World. If you're a coin enthusiast or collector, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fascinating coins from the Lincoln Cent Series 5 pennies from various years, each with unique details and history that add to its charm and collectible value. So, grab your magnifying glasses and get ready for an in-depth look at these little pieces of history. Let's get started. 1963 Lincoln Penny Coin. The 1963 Lincoln Penny is an interesting piece from the early 1960s, marking a time when the U.S. was undergoing significant cultural and social changes. As with other Lincoln cents, this coin features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, with the iconic Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. Historical context. The 1963 Lincoln Penny was minted during an era when the U.S. economy was flourishing. This was the last full year of the presidency of John F. Kennedy, and there was optimism and growth across the country. Coins from this time reflect the confidence and strength of the American economy. Design features. The obverse of the coin showcases Victor D. Brenner's design of Abraham Lincoln, a design that has been in place since 1909. Brenner's portrait is highly detailed, with Lincoln facing right and his facial features sharply defined. Above Lincoln's head, you'll find the word Liberty to the left and the date 1963 to the right, along with the D mint mark just below the date, indicating that this coin was minted in Denver. The reverse design, created by Frank Gasparro, features the Lincoln Memorial. Introduced in 1959, this design replaced the original wheat ears, symbolizing the importance of Lincoln's contributions to American society. The words United States of America and E pluribus unum are inscribed above the memorial, with the denomination 1 cent at the bottom. Mintage. In 1963, the Denver Mint produced a staggering 1.7 billion Lincoln pennies, making it relatively common. However, finding one in excellent condition, especially in uncirculated or proof grades, can still be a challenge for collectors. Market value. Due to its high mintage, a typical circulated 1963 penny doesn't hold much value above its face value unless it's in exceptional condition. However, uncirculated versions or those with unique minting errors can fetch a higher price, sometimes between $1 and $10, depending on the quality and grade. Errors. One common error seen in the 1963 penny is the doubled die error, particularly on the reverse. This doubling can often be seen in the inscriptions, such as United States of America or E pluribus unum. These error coins are rare and can be highly desirable among collectors, often selling for a premium. Collector interest. For collectors, the 1963 Lincoln Penny is a nostalgic piece representing early 1960s America. Its availability in circulated form makes it an accessible coin for beginners, while high-grade or error specimens appeal to more experienced collectors. 1969 Lincoln Penny Coin. The 1969 Lincoln Penny holds a special place among collectors due to its rarity and potential value. Minted in San Francisco, this coin is notable for its historical significance and occasional errors that make it highly collectible. Historical context. 1969 was a notable year in American history, with the U.S. landing on the moon and the Vietnam War in full swing. The Lincoln cent, meanwhile, continued to symbolize the enduring legacy of one of America's most revered presidents. Design features. The obverse features the classic Brenner portrait of Abraham Lincoln, along with the date 1969 and the S mint mark, indicating it was minted in San Francisco. The reverse still has the Lincoln Memorial, as introduced in 1959. Above the memorial, we find United States of America and E pluribus unum, while the denomination 1 cent is displayed below. Mintage. The 1969 Lincoln Penny had a mintage of approximately 544 million, which is lower than some other Lincoln pennies, but still fairly common. However, its value skyrockets if certain rare errors are present. Market value. In circulated condition, the 1969 penny has a modest value. However, higher-grade specimens can sell for a few dollars, while proof versions can be worth more. The real value lies in the famous 1969 doubled die obverse error, which can reach thousands of dollars in good condition due to its extreme rarity and collector demand. Errors. The 1969 doubled die obverse error is one of the most coveted in the entire Lincoln cent series. This doubling affects the date, mint mark, and lettering on the obverse side, creating a very distinct and dramatic look. These coins are extremely rare, with only a few known examples, making them highly valuable. Collector interest. Collectors are particularly interested in the 1969 penny due to the potential for finding the rare doubled die error. Even without the error, the San Francisco mint mark and historical context make it a sought-after coin, especially in higher grades. 1971's Lincoln Penny coin. The 1971's Lincoln Penny is another coin from the San Francisco Mint, known for its quality and occasional errors that keep collectors on the lookout. Historical context. 1971 was a challenging year for the U.S., marked by economic fluctuations and significant political events. The Lincoln Penny continued to serve as an essential part of American currency, and the 1971's coin reflects the economic landscape of the time. Design features. On the obverse, we see the familiar Brenner portrait of Lincoln. The date 1971 and the S mint mark are prominent on the right side, with Liberty to the left. The reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, symbolizing the unity of the country during a time of social and political change. Mintage. Approximately 525 million 1971's pennies were minted, which is relatively low, but still means the coin is widely available in circulated condition. Market value. Circulated 1971's pennies are generally only worth face value, but uncirculated or proof coins can range from a few cents to a few dollars. Error coins are, as always, worth significantly more. Errors. One interesting error for the 1971's penny is the doubled die obverse. Though less dramatic than the 1969's version, this doubling still adds considerable value. Inscriptions and the date may exhibit slight doubling, making it highly desirable. Collector interest. Collectors value the 1971's penny for its potential errors and San Francisco mint mark, with high-grade versions and errors being especially prized. 1976 Lincoln Penny coin. The 1976 Lincoln Penny is significant as it was minted during America's bicentennial year, making it a nostalgic collectible for history buffs. Historical context. 1976 marked the U.S. bicentennial, and while the Lincoln cent didn't receive a special design that year, it remains a reminder of a patriotic moment in American history. Design features. The obverse of the 1976 penny is identical to previous Lincoln cents, with the date 1976 to the right of Lincoln's portrait. The reverse remains the Lincoln Memorial design, with the typical inscriptions around the image. Mintage. With billions minted across different mints, including Denver and Philadelphia, the 1976 Lincoln Penny is quite common. Market value. While typical circulated coins are only worth face value, uncirculated specimens can reach slightly higher values. Bicentennial errors are particularly interesting for collectors and can bring premium prices. Errors. Common errors for the 1976 penny include die cracks and off-center strikes. These errors are not particularly rare but can still enhance the coin's value if dramatic. Collector interest. Collectors enjoy the 1976 penny as a representation of the bicentennial year. Uncirculated examples and error coins are the most sought after. 1977 Lincoln Penny coin. The 1977 Lincoln Penny, while not as historically significant, still has collector interest due to its quality and occasional errors. Historical context. 1977 saw the start of economic challenges that would carry into the next decade, and this penny represents a time of transition in U.S. history. Design features. The obverse features the standard Lincoln portrait with the date 1977 and the reverse with the Lincoln Memorial. No major design changes were made. Mintage. The mintage numbers for the 1977 penny were high, making it common. However, well-preserved, uncirculated coins still attract collectors. Market value. Circulated 1977 pennies generally hold little value beyond face value, but high-grade or error coins can be worth more. Proof versions from San Francisco are also of interest. Errors. The 1977 penny has occasional errors like off-center strikes and die breaks. These can add to the coin's value, though they are relatively common. Collector interest. While the 1977 penny is a standard issue, its errors and high-grade examples make it appealing to collectors. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about these Lincoln pennies and found some interesting details that you can look for in your own collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe to NT Coins World for more in-depth coin analysis and history. Let me know in the comments if you found any of these coins with unique features or errors.